welcome to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today I am going to show you how to upload a profile photo on Instagram. It's super easy and I will guide you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your phone. If you don't have Instagram app, you can download it from App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Once you are on the Instagram homepage, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now you will see your profile page. To add or change your profile photo, tap on the edit profile button right below your bio. Click here. In the edit profile section, you will see edit picture option here. Click on that. They will give you two options: new profile picture and import from Facebook. I will click on new profile picture. This will open your phone's gallery. Browse through your photos and select the one you want to use as your profile picture. Now you have choose your photo. You can adjust it by zooming in or out and moving it around to get it perfect fit. When you are happy with how it looks, tap on next. It was loading, and that's it. You have successfully uploaded a new profile photo on Instagram. It's easy, right? I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any question or suggestion for your future videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.